Good afternoon, sir.
Why so late,
All
man?
set.
Is the class still on? English class? सम्मान नंबर क्लास चल रहा क्या?
Good afternoon, sir.
नो क्लास चल रहा क्या अभी?
नहीं सर, हो गई सर क्लास.
फिर भी क्या है ना 8-9 जने से?
थोड़ों को मालूम नहीं हुआ सर आपकी क्लास शुरू हुई बोलते.
मंडे से क्लासेस रोक दे रखे थे आईआईटी के. बोले सर
नहीं बोले सर.
कोई ये वीक लास्ट है, नेक्स्ट वीक से स्टूडेंट्स विल बी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर आईबी एग्जाम बोल के बोले. Tomorrow holiday, so Saturday will be our last class. And exam for this weekend will be 3D and vectors combined, advanced paper. Your exam syllabus this weekend will be 3D. ट्वेल्व 30 हो जा रहा जी, क्या है? अब आईपी शुरू हो गया बोल के आईआईटी छोड़ दे रहे. आईपी दोनों 1A 1B दोनों स्टार्ट हो गए. हाँ
No, sir, no.
अजीज सर भी ले रहे क्लासेस आईपी के?
Sir, Aziz sir ले रहे, रंगवतला sir ले रहे, 1 hour 1 week दोनों.
For you syllabus हो गया man. It will be a problem for me for JL 41. JL 41 को अभी 3D करना है. 3D करने में it will take at least 10 days. उनका क्लास क्या है कि 1 hour रहता, अपन 2 घंटे का क्लास लिए बोल के. Now do you understand why I took extra time for you last time or whole
Yes,
of
sir.
last week and the previous week?
Yes, sir.
It is happening to every student man. हर कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स जो भी आईआईटी के हैं, सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
अप्रैल फर्स्ट आ गया, पूरे पूरे all the entire student community now caught up with first year students. I am telling, caught up with IP fever because IP exams are from I think May 1st or May 2nd.
May 1st, sir.
हाँ May 1st से एग्जाम्स है सर, हमको 1 महीना है बोल के सब लोग आईपी के तरफ शिफ्ट हो गए. What about physics and chemistry? Chemistry is done, no?
Yes, sir. Chemistry is done.
Physics कब खत्म होता सिलेबस?
April 15th, sir, by mid-April.
भाई
The middle of the April, sir, by April 15 or before April 15, sir.
मिडिल ऑफ अप्रैल में तभी अब एक आईआईटी वंस आईपी क्लासेस स्टार्ट, you should concentrate now on IP man. Even for JL 41 what I am thinking is ये जो 3D geometry है, I want to stop it and continue or start their second year syllabus with 3D geometry, then go to second year syllabus. Even for them I want to stop taking classes because asking students to attend IIT class now at this point of time is really wrong as a teacher on my part, because I should give students time to study. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And for IP chemistry also, Krishna Mohan sir and Arif sir will take, or some other teachers will take.
Some other teachers will take. We deal only with IIT part.
Yes.
जैसा कि IP मैथ्स कर रहे हैं, similarly you have IP teachers for physics and chemistry. मेरे को उनके नाम नहीं मालूम. Because it is not my subject, my department. I never tried to find their names. And IP may make sure that before you start, you ask your IP teacher to tell the topics that are there. Sorry, to tell the topics that are not there in the syllabus. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
The whole syllabus. Say for example, calculus में I think maxima, minima, increasing, decreasing functions, mean value theorems, वो सब नहीं है syllabus में. I think functions में sir might have told you there are no inverse trigonometric functions for exam. Did sir tell you that?
Yes, sir, we told.
फिर क्या करेंगे? Shall I take the class or drop the class for today? Less strength. What should I do?
Yes, sir.
इजाक हमजा क्या करेंगे? नहीं है क्लास में इजाक हमजा नहीं है. समान नंबर बोलो ना क्या करेंगे?
नहीं
जैद
मालूम सर.
जैद क्या करेंगे? Shall I take the class or drop?
Sir, we'll wait for 5 more minutes if the students come. Okay, otherwise we need to drop, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा पढ़ो जी. डोंट नेग्लेक्ट आईपी पार्ट. आईपी भी अच्छा करना. जितना आईआईटी मेहनत करे same kind of mehnat you need to put for IIT IPE also, because whatever preparation you make for IPE later it will help you for IIT also, because IPE will give you all basics. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
On a scale of 1 to 10, सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
On a scale of 1 to 10, IPE stands at 2, mains stands at 7, advanced stands at 10. To reach 7 or to reach 10, do you need to cross 1 and 2?
Yes, we need to cross.
Yes, that's what IB is. 2 might be very small. I'll give 3. On a scale of 1 to 10, IP is 3. Mains is 7. Advanced is 10. So you want to hit the target called 10. To reach 10, you should cross 1, 2, 3 also. What about chemistry class? Who asked? Chemistry IIT
Which
class?
class? English class.
No, chemistry class नहीं हुआ.
नहीं हुआ सर, आज नहीं हुआ. Thursday, Friday, Saturday इंग्लिश रहता सर, केमिस्ट्री के तरह.
Isa Kamza आ गया. Shall I take the class, man? Already 15 minutes gone, man. 45 minutes class. I'll start.
Yes.
I repeat, your IIT, your Sunday wala exam will be 3D and vectors. And tomorrow you will not have a class. Saturday will be our last class before our before IP break. We'll continue the classes after IP exam. That is what I'm planning. Even for JL 41 also, I want to cut down, because I should allow the students to prepare for the exam.
Can we discuss some IP problems, sir? That some water problems, repeated problems will come in the exams, sir, like that problems. Can we do it now?
Main area. Can you repeat again? IPA problems?
सर नहीं सर, आईपीए में आके थोड़ा एग्जाम्स में आके थोड़े कंटिन्यूस रिपीटेड प्रॉब्लम्स रहते ना सर, एक टाइप के.
हाँ.
वैसा
तो
करा सकते क्या सर आप क्लास में? आप
कौन सा?
आईपी के आईपी रिपीटेड प्रॉब्लम्स और इम्पोर्टेंट.
That's what your IP teacher will do, man.
नो सिर्फ एक पीडीएफ में से करा रहे सर, कुछ भी ज्यादा नहीं करा रहे. एक क्लास में 4 या 5 प्रॉब्लम करा रहे.
No, what? They gave a question bank, no?
Yes sir.
You solve that question bank, that will be enough. कुछ question bank के कुछ doubts है तो you ask sir.
Yes sir.
Sir, we will revise theory part now, sir.
Which theory part?
Any
No.
chapters?
No, sir, he's asking now we are doing 3D part. He's asking, sir.
No, not 3D part.
Sir, no, sir. I'm asking, can we revise 3D geometry, all formulas and all?
Yes, sir. Maybe like all formulas of all
Yes, sir.
equations.
We can revise all formulas. It will be helpful for both IP and also IIT.
You want me to write all the formulae of 3D and vectors?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Whatever you say. A bar and B bar are collinear, or A bar and B bar are parallel. इतने में फिर उड़ गए.
Yes, sir.
All from college. Sorry. Can you hear me clearly or any?
Yes, sir.
So we are
Okay,
able
sir.
to, we can hear, sir.
A bar, B bar, collinear, A bar, B bar, parallel. Condition man.
Even it.
चलो correct.
Yes, sir.
Non-collinear vectors.
X A bar plus Y B bar equal to
But X A bar plus Y B bar is equal to null vector.
yes, sir. Where X equal to Y equal to 0.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar vectors.
C bar equal to
बोलता था भी है.
Box ABC equal to 0.
A bar equal to L
Bar plus Y bar.
bar. One vector can be written as linear combination of other two. Correct?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Line equation वो पूरा वेक्टर ज्योमेट्री में लिखेंगे. Copy them fast. I think I should write linear dependence, or internal division, external division. I need not write now. Should I write? बच्चे लोग should I write?
Yes, sir.
C internally
M B bar plus N A bar.
M is to N ratio. What is your C is equal to quotient vector of C? बोलो मैम.
M plus N.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
D externally M is to N ratio. Quotient vector of D. Correct?
Yes, sir.
A bar or then position vector of centroid G.
A bar plus B bar plus C bar.
Position vector of in center. बच्चे लोग correct? Where what is A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to लेंथ ऑफ द साइड AB। सर्कमसेंटर का याद है?
Yes, sir.
एडवांस में पूछा एक बार। कुछ लोग याद है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Euler's
Euler's line.
Euler's line.
Denominator sin
Sin A.
2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. And what is position vector of orthocenter? बच्चे लोग याद है? tan A bar, tan B B bar, tan C C bar by tan A plus tan B plus tan C. बच्चे लोग डन?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
फॉर्मूला रह गया जी। What is this called? What is this called? Internal angle of bisector of angle A
Angle. Yes, sir.
meets BC at D. बच्चे लोग can you tell me?
Agree, sir.
What is BD is to DC?
AB is to AC.
Where will incenter lie? Incenter lies on the angle of bisector.
AD.
AI is to ID. AB plus AC. Am I correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Can I clear LHS?
Yes, sir.
What is this? What is this? Now tell me what I should write. Waiting man. बच्चे लोग fast.
A bar by mod A bar minus B bar by mod B bar into T.
What is unit vector along? Vector along the internal angle of bisector?
Plus or minus.
बच्चे लोग बोलो. T times
Plus B by mod B bar.
vector along external angle of bisector lambda times correct unit vector along internal angle of bisector T times correct T times
Correct.
no I think T will be cancelled no what is this correct
Sir.
unit vector along external angle of bisector
So this first one is unit vector along resultant, no, sir?
clear
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
dot product formula we will not write all those formulae man. I will write only important ones which you can't remember. Dot product is very easy to remember, no?
Yes, sir.
What is A bar?
Yes,
dot
sir.
B bar?
Mod AV cos theta.
A bar cross B bar
mod a bar b bar sin.
Mod AB sin theta n cap.
करेक्ट। शोएब क्लास में हो?
Yes, sir.
A bar dot B bar less than or equal to mod A bar mod B bar. Mod A bar cross B bar less than or equal to mod A bar mod B bar. What is this called?
Cauchy-Squartz principle.
WAR. Cauchy-Squartz inequality. Am I correct?
So
What is this called? Mod A bar square mod B bar square. बच्चे लोग am I correct? What is this called? Lagrange identity. Correct?
Yes, sir.
A bar B bar adjacent sides of a triangle. What's the area, man? Parallelogram. Area, man.
A bar cross B bar. Mod of.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Area of triangle ABC. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Also equal to half mod correct? Area of a parallelogram half, no, not half, AB cross AD, correct? Adjacent sides, correct? Or diagonals half AC cross BD, correct? And same is the answer for area of quadrilateral ABCD. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Question look done.
Yes, sir. Complete.
एग्जाम में पूछा है A bar, B bar, unit vectors. Angle between A bar, B bar, theta. बच्चों लोग, what is mod A bar plus B bar?
Under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos square.
Mod A bar minus B bar. अरे कुछ इनपुट्स दो जी, मैं लिख ले रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
What is projection of
OP bar.
A bar? बोलो मैम.
B bar dot A bar divided by mod A bar.
B bar A by mod A.
Yes, sir.
What is the vector A bar? Projection vector of B bar along A bar. That is vector OL bar. बोलो मैम. B bar dot A bar by mod A bar into unit vector along OA. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And what is vector BL bar called? Projection vector of B bar perpendicular to A bar. What is that vector called? बच्चों लोग, what is that vector called? BL bar is equal to B bar minus, correct है? What is box ABC definition? Correct? If you are done, I will clear right hand side. मुझे लोग बोलो मैम, कैन आई क्लियर RHS?
Yes, sir.
अब इसके
Complete,
आंसर
sir.
बताओ। What's the answer? First one,
2 box ABC.
बोलो मैम।
2 box ABC.
Second,
Box
third,
Box ABC whole square.
box ABC.
what is box ABC? What is box ABC whole square?
Box ABC into box.
No. A dot A dot B, A dot C.
Dot A, B dot B, B dot C.
B dot C. C dot A, C dot B, C dot C. Alright?
Yes, sir, correct.
Yes, sir.
Box ABC into L bar cross M bar.
Sir, can you please move a little right, sir? Because we cannot see the left part of box.
Check this in the notes. Am I correct or any mistake?
Correct, sir, correct.
Tetra volume. Box of AB, AC, AD. Parallelepiped volume. Correct? I am not writing all the formula man.
Yes, sir.
पूरा फॉर्मूला लिखे तो नोट्स ही आता फिर. And finally the 4. Time is also up. Tomorrow we'll write geometry formula.
Sir, you said tomorrow no class also.
Huh?
You said tomorrow no class also.
Tomorrow we will not have a class. Day after tomorrow we shall meet on Saturday.
Okay.
What was this man? A cross B cross C.
A cross C.
Wait. C dot A into B. C dot A into B minus
C dot B into A.
A. Correct?
Yes, sir.
A bar cross B cross C. A cross B cross C cross D. Box ABD into C minus box ABC into D, or box CDA into B minus box CDB into A. And finally A cross B dot C cross D. A dot C, A dot D. B dot C, B dot D. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In Saturday's class, I'll write geometry formula. we will write both mix vector geometry 3D geometry बोल के एक ही हेडिंग लगा के दोनों मिक्स करके करेंगे. We'll start from 23.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Can I switch off?
Yes, sir. Completed.
We shall continue next class Saturday. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.